Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to tell you 25 basic conversation starter sentences. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe it now. Hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So many of the people have good writing skills and good at grammar, but when it comes to speaking, they got blank and the words got stuck in their mouth. So if you are a kind of that person, this video might help you for engaging with people. Number 1. Hey, nice to see you. This sentence we can use when you see someone unexpectedly or when you see someone to whom you want to talk to. Number 2. How are you doing? This sentence imprints a very good impression of you to other person. And you can use this sentence instead of saying the traditional sentence how are you. So instead of saying how are you, you should use the word or say the sentence how are you doing. Number 3. How is it going? Instead of saying how are you, you can also use the word sentence or sentence how is it going. This will imprint a good impression of you to someone. Number 4. Hi, I haven't seen you before. If you want to talk to someone and don't know how to start a conversation, this is one of the best conversation starter for you. Hey, I haven't seen you before. Number 5. Where have you been? If two persons haven't seen each other for a long time and they don't know how to start the conversation again, so you can say this sentence, where have you been? This might help you to start a conversation again. Number 6. I'm glad you are here. When you are happy with someone's company, so you should compliment someone. So for compliment sentence, you can say I'm glad you are here. Number 7. For the answer of this sentence, I am glad you're here, you can use the sentence it's a pleasure. When someone give you a compliment or say I am glad you are here, you can answer with this sentence it's a pleasure. Number 8. I am doing well. How about you? When someone asks how is it going or how are you or how are you doing, so for this sentence you should answer I'm doing well, how about you, and you should ask for their opinion or for their information, how about you. Number 9. Hey, did you see or hear about something? Something could be something in news or something you find on internet or something which is trending, or you can talk about something which is common in both of you, like common friends or common interest. So this help you to start a conversation with someone. So then by this sentence you can exchange your views or your opinions. Number 10. Compliment the other person. You should compliment the other person for a good conversation. Like, oh, that's a nice dress you are wearing today. You get a new haircut. It really suits on you. But don't be a creep. Your compliment should be genuine and sincere. If you like something, do a compliment. But if you don't like, don't be a creep or don't sound creepy. Number 11. Open up about yourself. If you really wanna enlong the conversation with someone, you should start sharing your common interests. Like I like this, I like that, or you can say if you are going to do this weekend or any project, but don't spill all your secrets. Do share your knowledge or do share your things with someone, but don't open up very instantly. Number 12. You have a way with words. This is a great compliment you should say to someone. If someone is very good at speaking or writing or in any manner like dramatic, funny or romantic manner, so you can say you have a way with words, or this can be used instead of saying you are very good at. If you are going to say you are very good at something, you can say you have a way with words. Number 13. I am great. If someone asks, how are you or how you been? So you can say, I am great when someone asks, how are you? Number 14. Would you like to have something? When you have to long the conversation, you should make other person comfortable. Alright, so for comfortable zone, for getting into comfortable zone, you should ask them for something. Would you like to have something, tea or coffee or any drink? Number 15. It sounds great. When someone is sharing their interest or their work, you should compliment them with this sentence. It sounds great. This will help to make a comfortable zone between two persons. Number 16. Do you have any vacancies? This is the sentence you should say when you are looking for a job, or you go to a company or an office and you have to ask about any vacancies and for a job. So this is the conversation starter for those people who are looking for a job. Do you have any vacancies? Number 17. You have a great sense of humor. If you find something funny, you should not say you are funny. That might hurt them or that might not suit them. So you should say you have a great sense of humor. They will definitely take that as a compliment. Number 18. How can I get in touch with you? If you are liking someone or if you want to talk to them more or very frequently, so you should ask, how can I get in touch with you? So you can exchange your email addresses or your phone numbers or your Facebook if you want to. Number 20. If you like someone or if you like someone's company, or you should say, I'm glad you like it or I'm glad you enjoyed it. So if someone is telling you or giving you a compliment or telling you their opinion about yourself, so you should answer them, I am glad you like it or I am glad you enjoyed it. Number 21. Let's keep in touch. When you share your things and your common interest in your job and you are getting into a comfortable zone, so you should say let's keep in touch. So after this meeting, you can also have a conversation or have words with them. Number 22. May I ask you a question? If you are curious about something, but don't be a creep. You should question not very personal. You should not question very personal things. Alright? So, may I ask you a question? Will elong the conversation. Number 23. Please make yourself at home. When you like someone's company, you should make them comfortable or you should get them into a comfortable zone. So this is one of the best sentence or the best conversation starter to a person. Please make yourself at home. Number 24. The ending of a conversation and you don't know how to end the conversation, you can say see you later. So this will give you a possibility to engage with that person again. Catch you, or you can say catch you. Alright, this is the basic 25 tenses or conversation starter you should know. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, watch all my previous videos and share my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.